Hello everyone. Today we will talk about the comments. I learned that comments are really important because every CNC movement has a comment here. For example, we can see the listed comments here, the linear motion, circular motion, drilling cycle, etc. And whenever I change something here, for example, at format operation start, let's write a random word here and save it and generate it. I will directly see it in the NC program. Okay, so we have that first NC program without changes. And now we have the second one with the change I made. Let's compare it. As you can see, we have 46 differences, which are only red words. When I pressed Ctrl and F button, we can search anything here. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I will talk about the relation between the operation and commands in my next video, so follow me for more. I hope you enjoyed. Take care. Bye.